Hey guys, welcome to TechMix. In this video, we show you how to fix your device is connected, but you might not be able to access anything on the network. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Double-click on it and then click on Properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have Obtain IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select Obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to keep this on the default options, and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to go to search and type in Network Reset. Click on it. And now, once this, you want to click on Reset Now and then click on Yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes.